Alright, been meaning to make this video for many months now. Basically ever since my wife became pregnant, I've been searching for non-alcoholic versions of her favorite cocktails. Margarita, obviously a classic. This recipe tastes just like a margarita. It's 100% non-alcoholic and it's very easy to make. Only about 4 ingredients are necessary. So let's get started. First thing you need, Ritual Tequila Alternative. This company makes a couple other liquors, but this is by far the best tequila that we have tried that's non-alcoholic. It actually has a little bit of the burn that you would expect from a normal tequila, which is crazy to see in a non-alcoholic. So, Ritual Tequila Alternative. Second, Liar's Orange Sec. This is Liar's version of a triple sec. They make a ton of non-alcoholic versions of normal liquors. I'd suggest checking them out. I didn't realize that triple sec had alcohol in it, and so I made her this same recipe with a normal triple sec. And yeah, immediately had to find out that we had to find an alternative, so orange sec, very good. Then we got just straight old real lime juice. This is what I use in my normal margarita. I use in non-alcoholic margarita. You can get it just about anywhere. I like this version. I don't like the roses lime juice. I've never liked that. Never liked how it tastes in tequila, so go with this one if you're gonna go with something. All right, fourth, we got Madava Light Agave Syrup. I like this better than simple syrup. I like it better than regular agave syrup, mainly because it's got a lot less sugar in it. So, all right, so let's get started. Like I said, very easy recipe. It's 1 shot of tequila, 1 shot of the orange sec, and 1 shot of lime juice. That's easy to remember, and then a little bit of your light agave syrup. So, first thing we do, one shot Ritual Tequila Alternative. Next, 1 shot Liar's Orange Sec. Third, 1 shot real lime juice. Okay, and this really is all up to preference on how sweet you like your tequila. I usually give it a nice squeeze like that. Ice. And that's it. That's all you need. Now, you want to spruce it up a little bit. Very simple. Paper plate, put a little salt on here. This is Tajin. Put the Tajin down. Okay, put that to the side. Basic lime. I like to cut it in half. And then cut it one more time very closely. Okay, gets you a nice little lime wedge like that, a nice circular lime wedge. You cut this one from the middle to the edge. Then you take half of the lime that you just cut, you rub the side. Do it pretty good. Take our Tajin, take the side with the lime juice on it, and just rub it back and forth. Voila. Nice way to dress it up. Take your margarita you just made. Fill it up. Lime with the cut edge. Put it on there. And there it is. Non-alcoholic margarita. Give it a try.
Thank you. Baby approves.
Super easy. That's it. That's a non-alcoholic margarita. Tastes just like the real thing.